This whole project is based on the idea that the master branch in GitHub is the only source of truth for what's deployed in production. Achieving this requires that we never work directly on the master branch. Instead, we're going to work in other Git branches and then create pull requests in GitHub. Tests will be run at this stage, and if they pass, then we can accept the pull request and merge it with master. Our GitHub Actions pipeline will detect that we have made changes to the master branch and will automatically apply those changes in production. This includes changes to the infrastructure, which will be applied via Terraform, changes to the Kubernetes content and/or configuration by applying new YAML manifests with kubectl, or updates to our apps by using updated images. To demo this, I've made some unimportant changes to the project's code in a development branch. Now I'll create a new commit, push it to GitHub, and now over in the GitHub page, I can go to the pull requests section and create a new pull request. Looks like the pull request doesn't show any problems, so I can merge its contents with the master branch. A possible improvement here would be to include some tests to the infrastructure code, maybe using tools like TerraTest or Chef Inspect, and merge the pull request automatically if the tests pass. This is something I'd love to look into in the future. For the time being, we have to trigger the merge manually. Now we can go over to the Actions section, and as we can see, the changes have been detected and our workflow has started running. This workflow runs two jobs in sequence. The first one runs the Terraform code we saw in a previous video, and the second one applies the Kubernetes manifests once the cluster is running. Setting the whole infrastructure up will take about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to speed up the video and I'll be back in a moment. Okay then, the Terraform part is done and our cluster is up and running. And so is our second job. Just to be sure, it starts by checking the manifests for errors using kubeval, or maybe it's pronounced kubeval, I don't know. And if everything's fine, it applies them. Now that our production environment is ready, let's go over it in the following videos.